Hello my crafty friends, it's Jelly Bean. I am here to show you a few things I've been working on. So this is a project share, this video, and as soon as I finish this one, I'm going to do a video for a new kit that I have out. But I'll tell you about that in that video. Right now, I just wanted to come and show you a few things that I've been working on. I've been working on some teacher gifts, and these are actually the little teacher gifts that I've been making. I'm going to take one out of the bag so we can see it without a glare, and each one of them is just a little bit different, but these are Hershey Nugget 6-pack holders. They hold 6 of them. Aren't those just darling? I thought these were so cute. And I made a few of them to give to my grandson's teachers. He's in 4th grade this year, so he changes classes and has a few teachers. And I made most of them the same except for 1 or 2. He has mostly all female teachers, but he does have 1 male teacher, so I made one just a little more masculine. I made this one a darker blue with white, and I used kind of a winter snowman frost theme instead of doing Christmas, because I know everyone doesn't do that. And I have on this one I have a little to and from sticker on the back. I just thought these were cute and I wanted to share them with you. Here's another one. This one says snow, and this one says peace. And these are really so easy. You take 1 sheet of paper that is 6 by 4, I believe. If y'all want to see a tutorial on these, I'll be happy to do one. They're very simple. But you fold your paper, you glue it, and then you just put the decoration around the edge. I actually use some Martha Stewart little stickers. These are stickers, label stickers, that I put here. And I put another one on the back so it would look finished. Let me show you on the one. And her sheet of labels has 4 on a sheet, and they're different shapes. So this one was kind of round, and then there's the square one, and there's a little oval shaped one. But then I just put a sticker here. This is Wish. These are some little snowflake gems that you get from Dollar Tree. And then this is just some washi tape that I put around the side. This washi tape is actually in the kit that I have right now. I still have a lot of kits left. If y'all watch some of the other videos, you'll be able to see them. And the last kit that I have online is a blue and white snowman theme kit. So a lot of the stuff that I used to make these, I have in my snow theme kit. And this was just a sticker that had come in the mail with some return address labels. I thought they were pretty and kind of matched, so I have those. And then I made another kind of nugget holder that I seen actually on Pinterest, and it was even easier than the nugget, the 6-packs. This is a die that's just the square die with this shape going around the edge, and you score it here and here and fold it and put your little nuggets in there. And I have a little tiny sticker down here that says Merry Christmas, and I just thought those were cute. This is a piece of some of those edge stickers, border stickers, and then I put the bling on there. This is a plastic white snowflake in behind the blue that was in some table scatter that I either got it at Walmart or Dollar Tree, because I bought it last year, so I don't remember. But anyway, I put one of those and I popped it up on a foam dot. And then I have a paper punch that has a snowflake, and I punched that out of glitter paper and just glued it on top. And I thought that was really cute. And then the last ones that I made, I made little snowmen out of the nuggets, and I thought these were cute. And again, I had seen these on Pinterest, so I just took the Hershey's, and I had some sticker paper that I actually cut out about the size of a return address label and wrapped them around each nugget. And I went on Google and I googled snowman hat, and these come up, and I just printed these out, and they come with the scarf. So I printed those out and I fussy cut them and I glued them on, and the face and the little buttons and the heart was actually a free printable online. If I can find that link again, I'll put a link below so you can print out the face and the buttons, and I'll try to find the link for the hat and the scarf as well. If I can, I'll put those below. But I just made quite a few of these for my grandson to give, like the bus driver and his teacher, and you know, when I go to the doctor, to just give the nurses something, just little things to give to let people know you're thinking of them. I think now's the time of year to do that and let everybody know that, you know, what they do really means something to you. So I made those, and I have one more thing to share, and this is going to kind of go with the next video, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what it is. And these pretty green and pink snowflakes are a hint. My next kit is going to be a Shabby Chic kit, and I want to share with you what I made with the stuff in the kit that I'm going to give away. I made this super cute tag. I am really happy with the way it come out. I think it is super shabby, super glittery, and beautiful. And I'm gonna give it away. So if you want a chance to win it, you need to watch my next video with my ephemera kit so you can see how to win it. Now on this tag, I took and I used the Recollections Blush, Christmas Blush paper pad. And I cut out a tag using a manila tag. I used a manila tag for the base, and I cut out the blush paper and I glued it on the front and the back of the manila tag so it would be real thick and real sturdy, and it's really stiff. But anyway, I did that, and then I took a 5-inch doily and I folded it in half, and I put it half on the front and half on the back, and I glued it. And then it's really hard to see on here through the camera, but if you'll look through here, you'll see some metal looking hot pink. It's really hot pink, and what it is, it's this stuff here. And I have actually included some in my kit that a lot of the things on this tag are in the kit. But this is really neat. My grandmother used to take it. Whoops, sorry. I don't have the best setup here, and I broke part of it, so it's not that good. But anyway, my grandmother used to take this and run yarn through it, and she would make a back and a front using this long ways like this and run thread through all the holes and long diagonal strips, and then she would put them together and make a yardstick holder and put some of the appliques you see with sequins and beads on the front and decorate it for Christmas. But I like this. It's really pretty to add to your tags and cards and stuff like that. But anyway, I've got some of that on the background, and then I put a little round dolly, which is included in the kit, and I popped it up on dimensionals. And these stickers here are the Martha Stewart cherry blossom stickers. Now I stickled them up a little bit, but they're cherry blossom branches. That's a tongue twister. And I have those in various spots. I'm kind of gearing my next kit as Shabby Chic, but also for Valentine's Day and a little bit of Christmas, because in case you need to put a card or something together real quick. But anyway, I made this swan, and I just used white cardstock and some snow, that fake snow, and I put that on it and glittered it up. And I have the Martha Stewart punch for these little leaves right here. So I put a couple of those on there. First of all, I just painted some white paper with some pink ice glitter glue, and then punched it out after it dried. I also added some pink bling hearts, and then I added this little foam rose. I actually painted that with the glitter glue. And I added this little pink doily in behind here that my mother crocheted, and put a pearl spray on it, and then glued some of this pretty lace at the bottom that is also included in the kit. And then I put the sentiment on it with some stickers that I had in my stash, and this paper in behind it, I cut a flag banner out using the blush paper pad as well. And then up here on the top, I added a tassel that I made. This is a pink chandelier piece, a little crystal. Whoop, get in frame. And then this rose gold key. It's kind of hard to tell it's rose gold. But anyway, and then I added some really pretty laces with hearts, and some rope cording, some pearls with iridescent, and some pink organza ribbon. And then in various spots I added a couple of the pearl flat back pearls. So, and one thing I didn't mention right here, you see this glittery fabric. I actually bought that. My brother and I had went to Walmart, and he was buying fabric to cover chair seats that he was redoing, and I seen this fabric in there, and it is iridescent. When the light hits it, it changes, and I thought it was so pretty. So I cut a little piece of that off and kind of put it in behind there just to give it a little pizzazz, I guess you would say. But anyway, can you tell I like glitter? I wanted to share this with you and tell you all the details, because in the next kit, in the next video when I show it, I'm not going to give all the details. So anyway, that's what I have to share today. I just wanted to show you that, and if there's anything you've seen you would like to see a tutorial on, I will be happy to do one. If you'll just leave a comment and let me know that you would like one. And if everyone would please subscribe and like and share, I would be completely grateful. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a crafty day. Bye-bye.